Welcome back to the channel again. I thought today I would go through this. It's called the Park Lane Card Crafting Kit. And I don't know what I will use out of it, but I thought we could create a card with it. I'm going to take all of these out. It does come with some pre-done stuff. It comes with some paper, some stickers. I think I bought this last year at Joann's, or when they were going out. I think I bought it when they were going out. Maybe it was the year before when they were selling their Christmas at half price. I don't remember. Anyways, I know it was Joann's. And then they have these really pretty papers, as you can see. And then they also give you like pre-done card things. So those are that. And then you have all of these cute yeah, a dog. I'm not sure how a bunny fits into it. So I thought we would take one of these and maybe take this, create our own. We've also got Winter Wonderland. Now that would be pretty. And we could layer it up, maybe. Or we could just create our own. I think we're going to take, we could even bump that up a little bit, give it a little bit of pizzazz. I think we will. We are going to give that some pizzazz. So hold on a minute here. Alright. I think these would be rather pretty. Yeah. Alright. Now, I think we'll stick this. Well, we won't stick that yet. Alright. More scissors. Alright. I think that should be enough. Alright, let's put the We Believe down first. That's the problem with having stickers. Let's see. There we go. There we go. Alright. Then, need some tape. Move that back. There we go. All right. And then there we go. Ooh. We might do 2 cards today. Alright. And then we're going to put that right there. And there you go. How cute is that? Now we just need place it on there. And there we go. It's very cute. Alright, now this is 4 by 5. So let's make okay. I want to use this Merry Christmas, but I think what I'm going to do is okay. So I am going to make this not sticky. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to place this here, but I don't want it just placed there. I want it to pop up a little bit. So I am going to place stickies like that. All right. So let's see. There we go. And then it says Merry Christmas. Okay, and then I think we will put this on a colorful card. Let's see. Let's cut this down a little bit here. Okay. There we go. Okay. All right. I think we will put some foam tape but I think this will be very pretty. Well, I guess it stays down like it is. All right. That is not what I had intended, but it's okay. That's the final card. So those are the 2 cards. And let's do another one. Let's do one more. Let's see. Let's see. Now this would be pretty. Peace on Earth with some deer and we could even do, nope, I like the deer. Let's go with the deer. Alright. That's what we're gonna go with. I think I dropped something. Hold on. Nope. Maybe I didn't. Yep, I did. Snowflake. Okay. So, I think we're going to put there we go. And then maybe these guys coming this way. Or we could have them like that. Let's get this down first. See what we want to do. Let's see. I want to place it right there. And then I think I will do that. I think I'll put a little bit of glue up top. Let's see. Yep. And then put some foam squares down below. Let's see. There. Okay. There we go. Alright, come right. About there. Alright. And then, if you wanted to, you could take some of these stickers and put stuff on the inside. And you know what? Melissa did it backwards. That'll be okay. Alright, let's see. It'll be alright. We're just going to cut this card off and go it the other way. But I'll do that off video. But there you go. So if you're not very crafty, or you just are in a hurry and you don't want to spend, you know, 2 hours making a card, this is a quick and easy way to make some cards, and they're really pretty, I think. They're pretty fast cards. They didn't take me long to make. And that is what it is. It's called Park Lane Paper Crafting Card Crafting Kit. So, you know, if you don't have all of the stuff, you know, you can buy these pre-done ones and still make them really pretty. And it doesn't take a whole lot, you know? So, and that one. So, yeah. Alright, well that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment down below of things that you would like to see on my channel. That would be very helpful. I will be hopefully bringing other things closer to Christmas, some Christmas crafts, and also another craft room tour I will be doing, because some things have changed in my craft room, and I would like to show you what it looks like now. I have definitely improved it. At least I think. Not everybody might think it's an improvement, but I think it is. Let's see. I think that's it. Have a fabulous weekend, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.